Hey, how we doing, folks? It's Mike here at Dash Trucks, and I've got another walk-around video for you. Today's truck is going to be a 2020 Isuzu NPR-HD. It's a 16-foot crew cab box with a ramp. It's got 47,994 miles. It's been fully reconned. And when I say fully reconned, I mean we've gone through the oils and the filters. We've gone through regular things like the suspension, the brakes, and all of that. And we made sure that all of those things are up to date and functioning as they should be. Now this is going to be the 4HK1 TC 5.2 liter inline-4 turbocharged Isuzu engine with the 6-speed automatic transmission in this vehicle. So it's going to give you more power than what you need, but we'll go ahead and get started with the front tire over here. It's in great condition, plenty of life left on that tire. You do have quite a lengthy box as well. For more information on that, go ahead and head over to the website where you'll find that full listing. Your wheelbase is going to be 176 inches. Here are the rear tires back here. Dual rear wheels, rear wheel drive. And you do have that roll-up door as well. Here's your ramp in the back. You do have a single E-tracks on both sides, as well as the tie-down planks also on both sides. The box is in great condition. Here's your switch for the dome light. We'll go ahead and check out the rest of the truck. Now, if you did notice up top, you do have cargo racks. This truck's GVWR is going to be 14,500 pounds. Here are these tires back here. You do have hydraulic brakes and a 30-gallon diesel tank. Your interior is in great condition. No rips or tears on these seats. This lid over here is where you'll be able to check that oil. And on the other side, you have another one right there where you'll be able to check the transmission fluid. Let's start her up and we'll go ahead and go through the features. No lights on the dash. Here's your 47,995 miles. Now you do have a JVC Touchscreen radio and CD player. This also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can connect your phone for calls, for music. And then you do have a regular radio over here as well. Right on. You do have cruise control. And then power windows as well. You can also control the rear windows through here. And right down here is your 12-volt outlet. Alright, and that's really all there is to it today for your 2020 Isuzu NPR-HD. If you'd like to find out more information about this vehicle, head over to our website where you'll see the full listing. I'll go ahead and link that in the description as well as our phone number if you'd like to call in and have any specific questions. Right on. Well, thank you all very much for watching. Have a great day.